Want to change Facebook Messenger notification sounds? In this video, I will guide you step by step on how you can change that. First of all, open the Messenger app on your device. Make sure to log into your account. Now, tap on the menu icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. Once you get here, you want to tap on Settings. Now, scroll down a bit until you get to Preferences section. Here, tap on Notifications and Sounds. Make sure the notifications are toggled on. Now scroll down a bit. You will find the Notification Preferences option. Here, tap on Customize Notifications. Now, you have the option of sound. Tap on that. Right now, it is set to default. If you want to change your notification sound, go ahead and select any one from here. Once you have selected your preferred notification sound, head back. Now, as you can see, the new notification sound has been successfully set. Now, this is the sound you will hear when you receive a new message. And that's it for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.